With Da. Today we're going to introduce you to our favourite ancient pagan Easter game,
which is Pask Easter, which means Easter or egg.
Here we go, nigga. Here we're gonna go. Here we're gonna go. Here we're gonna go.
Pask lowen.
Raz?
Pask Easter.
Pask?
Oh.
Little chickie going home. Pask lowen.
Meur.
Pask Easter.
Oi.
Oh. Survival of the fittest.
Pask lowen.
Moraz.
Pask Easter.
Oi.
Oh.
Mutate in form of fried egg. Pask lowen.
Moraz.
Pask Easter.
Pask.
Unknown.
Yes.
Pask lowen.
Pask lowen. Quite a bit of Canurk in there, isn't there?
I suppose you could use it if you want.
Use it if you don't want. Yeah.
Oh. Right, another one. Right, ready?
It went into my nostrils.
Pask lowen.